Dear students, now we shall discuss the question number 15. A vertical pole of length 6 meters casts a shadow 4 meter long on the ground. So there was a vertical pole on the ground. So the length of that pole is 6 meter and it casts a shadow 4 meter long on the ground. Next, at the same time, a tower casts a shadow 28 meter long. So the tower is also casts a shadow of length 28 meter, means long it is. Find the height of the tower. We have to find the height of the tower. Let us take this as a pole first. So this is a height of the pole is how much? 6 meter they have given. Now here is the sun. So because of the light, it casts a shadow. So this is the length of the shadow. So that is how much? 4 meter long. So this is the long length of the shadow it is. Now let us join this. Okay. So name this as ABC. Okay. Here is how much? It is 90 degree with the ground and the pole. Angle between the pole and the ground, that is 90 degree. Next I will go for a tower. So let us take this as a tower. Again, at the same time they said. Okay, at the same time. So again, this tower also casts a shadow. So length of that shadow is how much? 28 meter. So this is 28 meter. We have to find the height of the tower. Okay, we have to find the height of the tower. So this is tower. And this is what it is, pole it is. Okay. Now, here is also 90 degrees there. A, B, C, D, E, F. Now, we have to find H. How we can find? Now, these two triangles are similar. Why? Because here is one angle 90 degree, here is also one angle 90 degree. Now, this angle is equal to this angle because at the same time, here is angle of, you can take this as observer, angle of elevation. This angle of elevation and this angle of elevation, this is always equal because at the same time, okay. So because it is at the same time, so this angle is equal. Otherwise, you can take this angle is also equal because if two angles are equal, then third angle is also be equal. Okay. So let us take in triangle. You have to find what? H we have to find. In triangle ABC and triangle DEF. Okay. Now that is angle ABC is equal to that is angle DEF is equal to how much it is? 90 degree. Now at the same time, since the shadow at the same time these two angles are equal, that is angle BCA. Angle BCA is equal to angle EFD. Okay. So now by AA similarity criterion, these two triangles are what? Similar. Triangle ABC similar to triangle DEF. For angle D, for angle B it is E. DEF. Okay. So this is because of AA similarity criterion. AA similarity criterion. Now, if two triangles are similar, then we can say that corresponding sides are in the same ratio. Then the corresponding sides are in the same ratio. Now, it means what? AB divided by DE, BC divided by EF, AC divided by DF we can write. Okay. I will take only two sides. I don't want to take three sides because I want to find this only. So it means what? AB divided by DE. AB divided by DE I will take. AB divided by DE is equals to then BC divided by EF. BC divided by EF. Third side also you can write. Now I'll write here is what? This implies AB by DE is equal to BC divided by EF. Now substitute the values. AB value is how much? 6 meter. DE value we have to find, that is H is equal to BC. So BC value is 4 divided by, now what is EF? EF value is 28. Now 6 divided by H. Now this is how much? 7. 1 divided by 7. 7 4s are. Now I want to find the value of H. H is equal to 42 meter. 42 meter. This is what? Height of the tower. Okay. Hence we can find height of the floor, that is height of the tower is 42 meter. Next one. If AD and PM are medians of triangles ABC and PQR respectively, where triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR, prove that AB by PQ is equal to AD divided by PM. First we shall draw two triangles. Those are ABC and PQR. So this is ABC and another triangle, that is PQR. PQR. Now AD and PM, they are the medians. So this is AD is the median of triangle ABC. PM is the median of triangle PQR. Now they said that ABC triangle similar to triangle PQR. Given that triangle ABC similar to triangle PQR, they given. Now what I have to prove? AB divided by PQ. AB divided by PQ is equal to AD divided by PM. So here this side and this side. So we have to concentrate on this triangle only. PMQ ADB. If we prove these two triangles are similar, then automatically I can write this. Okay. So I am going to prove these two triangles are similar. Those are what? ADB and PMQ. Now they are given that this is these two triangles are similar. So this implies AB divided by PQ. AB divided by PQ. Corresponding sides are in the same ratio. AB by PQ. BC divided by QR. BC divided by QR is equals to AC divided by PR. AC divided by PR. So because corresponding sides of similar triangles. Can write here is what? Corresponding sides of similar triangles. Okay. You write in words. Okay. Don't write like this. Corresponding sides of similar triangles. Now. So here. And another condition also I can write. What is that? Angle A is equal to angle P, angle B equal to angle Q, angle C equal to angle R. Because they said A equal to P, B equal to Q, angle C equals to angle R I can write. Before writing this, I will write that condition. Otherwise, leave it. Afterwards, you can mention it. Now, so this implies AB by PQ, I will write as it is. AB divided by PQ as it is. Then BC is in place of BC. Can I write 2BD? Can I write 2BD? So here also same. In place of QR, can I write 2QM? Because they said that AD is the median. It means D is the midpoint of BC. So BD is equal to DC. In place of BC, I can write 2BD or 2CD also I can write. Here also QR can be written as 2QM or 2MR. Now this is equal to AC divided by PR. Now this is what? AB divided by AB divided by PQ, BD divided by QM. Okay, I will leave this. Now see here, AB by PQ, then BD divided by QM, BD divided by QM. So these two sides. To apply SAS, so this angle must be equal. So it is already equal because they given here. And now I'll write here. This I'll call equation number 1. And what I can write? And angle B, that is angle ABC, is equals to angle PQR. Okay, PQR. What I can write here? Reason: corresponding angles of similar triangles. Again, you can write in words. What you can write here? Corresponding angles of similar triangles. They are equal. Okay. So this I call as equation number 2. Now, from 192, instead of saying from 192, to remove this 192. No need to mention it. Okay. Now what I can write? In triangle ABC and triangle PQR, not ABC, ADB. In triangle ABD, then PQM. So let us take this first. So this is what? AB divided by PQ is equal to BD divided by BD divided by QM. And next I'll write here this one. And angle ABC. So in place of ABC, can I write ABD? Okay, because I want the angle only for this triangle ABD. So that why? So that is angle ABD is equals to PQR. In place of PQR, I can write PQM. So this is PQM. Now SAS, similarity criterion. So therefore, triangle ABD similar to triangle. For A, that is angle P. For B, it is Q. D, it is M. It is ABD is equal to triangle PQM. These two triangles are similar. Now, if two triangles are similar, then their corresponding sides are in the same ratio. So this implies AB divided by PQ is equals to, I want AD. So first and last, AD divided by PM. AD divided by PM, because corresponding sides of similar triangles. Again, you can write in words. So corresponding sides of similar triangles. Okay, hence proved this. Hence proved. Here you can write SAS similarity criterion. Reason I have to write. So here you can write what? SAS similarity criterion. Okay, you write it here. SAS similarity criterion, because SAS criterion I used, so that I have to give the reason. SAS similarity criterion. Okay. This completes the exercise. Let us move to the next concept. So that is next theorem. So we have to prove that theorem. It is very important. We can expect this theorem for 4 marks, or it may be for 5 marks also. Okay. So maximum it will be asking for 4 marks. Now what is that theorem? The ratio of areas of two similar triangles is equal to the square of the ratio of their corresponding sides. So first we shall take two similar triangles. I will take two similar triangles, ABC and PQR. So this is ABC triangle. I will take another triangle, PQR. Now see here, the ratio of areas of two similar triangles. Ratio of areas of two similar triangles, that is area of triangle ABC divided by area of triangle PQR is equal to square of the ratio of their corresponding sides, means AB divided by PQ whole square, BC divided by QR square, AC divided by PR whole square, like this. Okay, we have to prove. So first let us take given or data this. What they given? Triangle ABC and triangle PQ are similar, they said. Okay, so triangle ABC similar to triangle PQR, they given it. Next I can take construction. What I can write here? Construction. Now in this theorem I have to construct the altitudes. So those are what? AD is an altitude of the triangle ABC. Then PM. It is an altitude of the triangle ABC. Altitude is nothing but it is perpendicular. Okay, it is perpendicular to the base BC and QR. Now in construction, draw the altitudes. Draw the altitudes AD and PM of triangles ABC and PQR respectively. ABC and PQR respectively. This is what? Construction. Now to prove, what we have to prove? Okay, what we have to prove here? Ratio of areas of two similar triangles. Area of triangle ABC divided by area of triangle PQR is equal to square of the ratio of their corresponding sides, that is AB divided by PQ whole square is equal to, then BC divided by QR whole square is equal to, then the last side AC divided by PR whole square. Okay, we have to prove this. Okay, so first one I taken given, then construction what I constructed, that is, then to prove what we have to prove. Okay, next the next long step is proof it is. So let us go for that. Now first you copy this. Now I'll draw. Let us go for the proof. Okay. In proof, they given that triangle ABC and PQ are similar to each other. Given that, first I will take given that triangle ABC similar to triangle PQR. Okay, ABC similar to triangle PQR. So this implies, from this what I can write? AB divided by PQ is equals to BC divided by QR is equals to AC divided by PR. So I'll call this as equation number 1, because I must write the reason here also. What is that? Corresponding sides of similar triangles. Write it. Corresponding sides of similar triangles. So they are corresponding sides of similar triangles. This is equation number 1. Now I will take left side what I want, area of triangle ABC divided by area of triangle PQR I want. Now let us apply the formula here, area of triangle ABC. What is that? Area of triangle ABC. So that is in this triangle, AD is the altitude, that is 1 by 2, base into height, base is BC, height, that is altitude is AD, Okay, this I'll take as equation number 2. Now similarly, area of another triangle PQR, triangle PQR is equals to 1 by 2, base is here what? QR into height is here what? PM. Height is what? PM. Okay. Now left side what I want? You can see in 2 proof what I written, area of ABC divided by area of triangle PQR I want. Means I have to divide these two triangles. That is it. Equation 2 and equation 3 I have to divide. Okay. And now okay, area of, otherwise divide equation number 2 and 3. Divide equation 2 and 3. Equation 2 and 3 we have to divide. Okay. Now next, copy this first. I will draw the diagram. I will draw here only. So this small diagrams I will draw. ABC. In what I have taken it as AD, and another one is what? PQR. Here I have taken is what? It is PM. Okay, these are perpendicular. Now we have to divide equation 2 and 3. So that is area of, continuation is here only. After this, area of triangle ABC divided by area of triangle what is that? PQR is equal to 1 by 2 BC into right side, BC into what? ED divided by 1 by 2 QR into PM, QR into PM. Okay. Now this is equal to 1 by 2 get cancelled, remaining BC into ED divided by QR into PM. So this I will take equation number 4. This I will take equation number 4. Next, can I say these two triangles are similar? Triangle ADB and triangle PMQ. They are similar because here one angle is 90 degree. Here is also one angle 90 degree. One angle they are equal. And these two angles are also equal because they given that triangle ABC similar to triangle PQR. Okay. Now that is equation number 1. That is equation number 4. Since triangle ABC similar to triangle PQR, this implies what I can write? Angle B is equal to angle Q. Angle B is equals to angle Q because corresponding sides of corresponding angles of similar triangles are equal. So otherwise you can give the reason. Corresponding angles of similar triangles are equal. You must write in words. Corresponding angles of similar triangles. Angle B is equal to angle Q. This implies and one more condition I have to write. This angle is 90 degree and angle, I'll rub it now, and angle ADB is equals to PMQ is equal to 90 degree. It is given only because we constructed altitudes AD and PM. So now I got two conditions. By using A similarity criterion, I can write triangle. Therefore, triangle ADB similar to triangle PMQ. Triangle PMQ. Because AA similarity criterion. AA similarity criterion. Okay, AA similarity criterion. Now, this implies what I can write? Corresponding sides I will take AB PQ. AB divided first and last. AB divided by PQ. Then AD divided by PM. AD divided by PM. And one more side also you can write. What is that? DM divided by MQ. Okay. That is equals to DM divided by MQ. This are called equation number 5. Now, I have to substitute equation number 1 and equation number 5 in equation number 4. What I have to substitute? In equation number 1, AB by PQ. You see that equation number 1. AB by PQ is equal to BC by QR I written. BC divided by QR I written. Okay. Here also, AB by PQ is AD by PM. So in place of AB by PQ, I can write AD by PM by using equation number 5. And by using equation number 1, what I can write? In place of AB by PQ, I can write it is what? BC divided by QR also. Now what? Add equation number, substitute equation number 5, 1 and 5. Substitute equation number 1 and 5 in equation number 4. What is that equation number 4? Area of triangle ABC divided by area of triangle PQR. Triangle PQR. Right side. Now BC divided by QR is there. So right side is what? BC divided by QR. That is equation number 4. By using equation number 1, you see that equation number 1. So AB by PQ is equal to BC by QR. I written there. Equation number 1. So in place of BC by QR, I can write is what? AB by PQ. AB divided by PQ. So by using this BC divided by QR is nothing but AB by PQ into. Then AD by PM. So in place of AD by PM, I can write as what? AB by PQ. That is by using equation number 5. AB divided by PQ. So this is equal to AB by PQ into AB by PQ. What I can write? AB divided by PQ whole square. Okay. Now I got only one side. Square of the one side I got. You can get other two sides also. Okay. I'll write directly similarly. Similarly, what I can write? Area of triangle ABC divided by area of triangle PQR is equal to, okay, is equal to AB divided by PQ whole square is equal to BC divided by QR whole square is equal to, one more is that AC divided by PR. AC divided by PR whole square. Okay. Up to here you prove. Then directly I can write. No need to prove remaining these two. Already we proved one side. Okay. So similarly you can write. Similarly, area of triangle ABC divided by area of triangle PQR is equal to this one. Okay. Hence prove this. This is very important. This they will ask for 4 marks or sometimes they may ask for 5 marks also.